What the hell's going on, guys? Apologies for taking such time off. I think the last time I posted was sometime in October or November time frame. Give you guys an update on how much I made in 2017. Not sure if I'm ready to give you guys what my goal is in 2018. Just forward projections, looking at it, at what I currently own. In the next 12 months, I'm anticipated to make around $4,200 in dividends. So that being said, my original goal that I was thinking about was about $4,800 or about $400 a month in dividends on average, but that seems pretty attainable. And the reason why I think it's attainable is because basically over the past couple of years, I've been able to, really increase my dividend income year over year. So, excuse me, 2016, I was able to increase it by 71%. Last year, in 2017, I was able to increase it by 70%. So if I wanted to only go up to about 4,800, that would be a pretty small increase. So just already, I'm looking at making around $4,200. This is a little bit off compared to some things I need to update, but already planning on making around $4,200. So an increase of 21% over last year already, just based off of being able to on what I've invested, being able to give me income throughout the full year. But that would only increase by, say 20 so percent in order to get me to the 4,800, which isn't too high of a goal in my opinion. So, anyway, just looking at the portfolio allocation, this is really where we're at. So like I had mentioned, forward income about $4,200. And actually, I wanted to talk to you guys about how much I made in 2017, which was approximately $3,400. Now, this doesn't meet my goal of 2017. I was anticipating to get $3,600 just from dividend income alone. So you guys probably have seen my videos where I made I make $200 an average a month, $300 an average a month. I'm currently looking at about $350 a month, so hopefully I can get that to closer to $400 by 2017, or by the end of 2018. But yeah, just looking at the actual breakdown itself, $3,400, good result, but not where I wanted it to be. But if you incorporate my YouTube income, I way surpassed that. So I ended up with just under $600 in YouTube income. So I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel and always keeping in communication and asking me questions, and sometimes asking clarification, because sometimes I might say quarter instead of month, and it throws everyone off. But my goal coming into 2017 was $3,600 just in dividend income. So $4,000 in passive income is a great result, and I really appreciate you guys always being active on the channel. Next year I'm forecasting about $90 flat. I'm not exactly sure how active I will be in YouTube, but I anticipate going forward, being active, giving you guys a couple videos a month, like I have in the past. And that kind of leads me to, so basically we're looking at close to, with 4,800 or so in dividend income plus, this, we're looking at close to $6,000 in passive income in 2018, just based off of dividends and YouTube. And that seems pretty attainable. So I need to do more thinking before I give you guys this is my 2018 goal. So that kind of leads me into the next thing I want to talk about. So partially some of the reason why I've been taking off so much time. I'm sure you guys see all the ads and everything on YouTube talking about cryptocurrencies and trading this and trading that. Well, I decided, as a hobby, instead of investing for 1 month, I would buy one of these mining rigs. So I set it up. You might be able to hear it in the background if I shut up for a little bit. You might hear some fans. But anyway, so what I ended up doing, I bought one back in October time frame, just two small, two small graphics cards, and started mining. I was making a little bit of money. And it was fun, building a computer from scratch. I'd never done it before. So anyway, now it's getting to the point where now I have 3 of these rigs running, making about $1,500 a month in income. Of course, I split that with another person, Me and him go on it at 50-50. But basically, what I'm trying to say is, I want to keep this, the mining thing and the dividends and the passive real estate, or sorry, passive YouTube money separate. I don't want to merge the two because obviously there's people that are diehard stock market fans and there's people that are diehard mining fans, and I want to keep that separate. So I'll leave a link maybe in the upper right hand corner or in the description below as to where you can go to visit my crypto mining, not cryptocurrency. Maybe I'll talk about some trading, but I think the main thing I'll be talking about is mining, how to set up rigs, what have you. And it's more of a hobby. I'm not trying to gain money or views on YouTube, but more of a hobby. We got 3 small rigs. It's not like we're a massive but a massive farm or anything like that. But it's just me and another guy. So I'll be trading, videos back and forth with him and myself. He's a Kiwi, so you might hear his accent. So some of the women might like that. I don't know. But anyway, I want to keep that separate, and I want to keep you guys posted on that, so that you don't think like, oh, this is going to be, strictly a cryptocurrency or mining, sort of channel. I might bring in the income aspect of it. So $750 a month in mining income, or revenue rather, is kind of a big deal in terms of what I'm making now. It's almost double what I'm making now on a monthly basis from my monthly dividend income. So if you think about it that way, it's like it's something I might want to keep you guys posted on, but not strictly. It'd be like, okay, this is how much I made in dividends. This is how much I made on YouTube. Oh, and here's my monthly mining income or whatever. It wouldn't be like focused strictly on my dividend income or whatnot. So yeah, just basically YouTube dividend income. Hoping to get around $6,000, but like I said, I'll keep you guys posted on the 2018 goal. And of course, I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on what I do in the markets, what else you think I should be doing, if you think that that's not enough money or what, to be making $6,000. Really just keep me posted on what you guys want to see, hear, and talk about. And of course, I'll keep you guys posted on how much I'm investing in my YouTube Moolah account. Let's check that out. It's my YouTube Moolah is not even visible on my portfolio allocation yet. It's getting there. Where's it at? We're up to $450 in total value. So that's all from you guys, and I appreciate that. And on a forward rolling income, it's $4 extra. I should be getting a payment either this month or next month. So that'll be another $150. So really appreciate you guys stopping by the channel and always talking to me. Love to hear your comments, thoughts. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. It is 12:15, and I haven't had anything since about 6 o'clock yesterday. So I will talk to you guys soon. Give this thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you haven't. And of course, I'll give you guys the description of what my new channel is for mining. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week and great 2018.